Harvesting and roasting corn from the garden. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Seven Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. Today, I'm gonna be harvesting some corn, and I'm gonna show you some of the ways that we eat the corn. When you harvest some corn, if you touch it like that, most often you can feel whether it's inside, if it's strong enough or not. See, this one looks like. Well, also when you see the this feelers like this are getting dry, it means it's getting stronger, and you can also check by lifting it up like that. You can also see that. So just harvest some corn. So we want to roast fresh corn. This one is also good. I'm gonna harvest this one, and I'm gonna harvest a couple of them over there. Okay, this is what I've got so far. I got these ones are really fresh ones, the ones that are green, and these other ones are dry ones. Even though it's dry, it's still gonna be good. And this is it after taking out the peelings, and this is how it is inside. Then I'm just gonna add a few more so that way we have enough. So now I got like 3 or 4 more corn, and then all we gotta do now is start roasting, and then let's go from there. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. So now we're gonna try to put it in. The grill is hot, so now we're gonna start putting the corn in. Summer, there's nothing better than eating corn and plum. Okay, this is awesome. It is coming along great. Almost ready, guys. Almost ready. I can smell it now. It's almost ready. And the plum is, you gotta have to see this. Just turn that. Almost ready. It will be ready very soon. You're gonna see this. Okay, take a quick pic. See that? It is ready. This one is ready. I'm gonna have a taste of it right now. These other ones are just, you can see the plum, you see the oil coming out of the plum. Awesome. It's great. Okay, it's ready. And see the plums? I can't describe it. Awesome. This is what summer is all about. Having fresh corn from the garden and having imported plums. This is gonna long-term memory. It brings you back to childhood and you're living. Oh, fantastic. All I can give is thumbs up.
Just one. Eating corn and plum.
Tastes good.
Really good. From the garden.
All I need now is some music to just enjoy this evening.
Oh.
Okay, that's it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up.
Make sure you share, please.
If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching.
And happy growing.
Yeah.